Good morning, everybody. Now we are here in Maarke by the tandem Cousaert-Willems, who won the first national on the international race of Tarbes. They won the first national Belgium, a flight on a distance of 888 kilometers. The pigeons were released at 7:20 this morning, and the pigeon arrived at 21:46 this evening for a velocity of 1025 meters per minute. It was a hard race, warm weather in France, very clear, very nice circumstances. But a very important detail: last week the tandem Cousaert-Willems won also the Golden Wing Trophy of the Barcelona Club Bruges. It's a very important trophy with the sixth national Barcelona with their first nominated pigeon. So in 1 week they won the Golden Wing Trophy on Barcelona and the first national on Tarbes, Belgium, heavy long distance race. The pigeon who did it is a 3-year-old cock with a very strong origin. He is very soft feathered. It's a very quiet pigeon. It's a smart pigeon with a bright white eye. A lot of congratulations for this nice family who won 2 top trophies in 1 week. Congratulations.